Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to learn the exceptions to the law of diminishing marginal utility, as well as the importance of the law of diminishing marginal utility. Before going to the class, I request you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications. To begin with the class, it is to be noted that there are certain cases where the law of DMU does not apply. That is, every additional unit will give more and more satisfaction instead of less and less satisfaction. These cases are explained as follows. The first one is hobbies, such as collection of stamps, coins, paintings, or antique pieces. In such cases, the person who's collecting will get more satisfaction with every additional unit. The second case, that is regarding the drunkards. In this case also, additional pegs will give more and more satisfaction to the drunkard. The third instance, similarly, smokers and drug addicts will also get more satisfaction with additional units. Music for music lovers, the more they listen to music, the higher is the satisfaction. Then there is the case of misers. People who do not spend money and love to hoard money are called as misers. For such people also, the more the wealth, the more the money they get, they become more happy. The law is inapplicable for commodities like money, durable goods, and indivisible goods. Thus, the law of DMU is subject to the above limitations, but the law of DMU has great practical importance. Now, these can be explained as follows.